A Coupon Guide. Chapter 1. Coupon Guide. Coupon Info. Coupons are big business and could save you thousands of dollars yearly on grocery bills and other products. You're always getting them in the mail unsolicited because companies want you to use their products. That's the whole hook behind it. You save some money off retail prices and the company gets its sale and hopes you become a return customer. There are coupons for discounts on products and refunding, which is something like sending a few box tops or labels of a particular product to the company in exchange for coupons or a free gift. With the rebate, you buy something, then the manufacturer sends you back some money or more coupons or some kind of incentive. It gets more advanced with things like point coupons working towards a gift in a catalog, trading stamps, sweepstakes and contests. It comes down to how much you want to get involved. Some people even save labels and box tops in anticipation of possible offers, and some people even have networks with a regular newsletter where they exchange coupons and advice. There are different types of coupons. Supermarkets might or might not take some of the different types. Manufacturers' coupons. Expired coupons. Double and triple coupon values. Store coupons. Competitors' coupons. Internet coupons. Drugstore coupons. Gas coupons from some supermarkets. Get coupons from the newspaper, the internet, and call company toll-free numbers asking for coupons. In many places, the Sunday newspaper has the most coupons in it. In my local newspaper, Thursday is the edition with most coupons. You might find coupons hanging from supermarket shelves near the food the coupon is for. Some supermarkets have a flyer located at the front of the store. You can trade coupons with friends. If you plan to get coupons online, make sure your printer works and is ready to print. The major coupon websites use a certain software program that you'll have to download. Many coupons can be only printed once or twice per household or IP address, then your ability to print that coupon from that computer is shut down. Some can be printed time and time again. Some companies mail coupons to you. Some stores won't take your online coupons. Call them or ask at their website. You can use coupons for virtually everything: supermarket, hardware, dry cleaning, restaurants, toys, motels, etc. Couponing is the process of clipping coupons from newspapers and magazines, filing them alphabetically by product in a coupon saver box or binder, then taking them to the store with you and using them. You may also trade your unwanted coupons with your friends, relatives, neighbors, or local couponing groups. Refunding is when you save your box tops, universal product codes, UPCs, box bottoms, labels, inner seals, etc., and send these away to clearing houses in conjunction with a refund offer you might see in the newspaper, a magazine, or on a product package. A typical refund offer would possibly call for 3 or 4 UPCs and the cash register tape with the purchase price of the product circled. You can find coupons in the Sunday newspaper, in circulars, ads, that come in your mailbox, on the websites of products, at coupon websites, general women's and home type magazines. If you see some coupons you like, buy a second edition of the newspaper to get more coupons. Go on the internet where you can print coupons out on your printer. Many companies will send you free coupons just for the asking. You could call companies and ask for coupons and samples, or you could send them a letter stating that you're a regular shopper open to new products and would appreciate coupons and samples of some of them. When writing to these companies, always preface your letter with Consumer Services Department. Some of these companies also offer recipes for their products. You could call them every few months or so and keep getting coupons. There are coupons available on websites that you can print out. You get some by calling the 800 toll-free numbers of major corporations. Look over the containers of the food you buy. If there's a toll-free number on it, call the company, say you like the product and ask for coupons. You get some by sending in on rebate offers, and when you complain to a company, check out your junk mail for coupons. Sometimes coupons are printed right on the package. You might start trading coupons with friends or ask them to give you their coupons, especially if you have children. Call the local supermarkets and ask if and when they have double coupon days. Use the coupons as long as they're good. Don't get locked into brand loyalty. Don't use coupons on items that are highly processed rip-offs to start out with. If using coupons, make sure the cashier deducts them from the price. Group buying coupons. These websites offer local deals only if X number of people sign up for the deal. You must buy something to get the discount. You just don't get coupons that you might or might not use. Groupon.com, Wagjag.com, Teambuy.com, OnlineGroupBuying.com, LivingsOCEL.com. Internet codes to save money. Many internet retailers offer codes in their promotions on the web that enable the shopper to an extra discount. Find some of these codes on these websites. Dealcatcher.com, eDeals.com, FatWallet.com, JumponDeals.com, SlickDeals.com. Rebate coupons. Buy something then send the proof of purchase in to get money back from the manufacturer. Why don't they just lower the price up front? CompareRewards.com, purchase rebate/reward websites. CyberRebate.com, Ebates.com, FreakyFreddies.com, MyCoupons.com, Rebate.com, RebatePlace.com. Chapter 2. More coupon info. Free discount cards for buying stuff. Some of the supermarkets and drug stores offer free discount cards. You might find them on their websites or ask about them at the big stores. Whenever you buy something, you hand them the card, they swipe it and you get a discount. They might use the information of what you buy to send you promotional stuff in the mail. Coupon discount codes for online shopping. Discount codes are just like coupons. 1-coupons.com, a2zdeals.com, oralgoodcoupons.com/links.htm, betterbudgeting.com/articles/shopping/coupon codes.htm, couponchief.com, couponspot.com, discount coupon codes and shopping deals, currentcodes.com, dailydeals.com, dealhack.com, dealio.com, dealofday.com, dealsupdate.com, .deals.com, earnmarketplace.com, food discounts/restaurant discounts, kidsmealdeals.com, shopping points/shopping rewards online and real life. Accumulate points when you buy stuff so you can purchase free stuff with these points. clubmom.com, communitypowerpoints.com, comparerewards.com, ebates.com, membershiprewards.com, mutualpoints.com, mypoints.com, mypoints.com, online-rewards.com. Points.com, exchange points, miles, or other loyalty program currencies. Chapter 3. Coupon resources. Coupon articles at liveabout.com/couponing-52022145. Learn about coupons. Coupon websites at Money Pantry. moneypantry.com/get-free-coupon-inserts. moneypantry.com/getting-coupons. moneypantry.com/best-coupon-sites. moneypantry.com/best-coupon-apps. moneypantry.com/go/cashkick. moneypantry.com/go/join-inbox-dollars. moneypantry.com/go/earnhouse. moneypantry.com/go/polls-rewards. moneypantry.com/go/joins-wagbucks. moneypantry.com/get-free-coupon-inserts. moneypantry.com/get-paid-for-junk-mail. moneypantry.com/coupon-without-printer. moneypantry.com/grocery-coupon-sites. Coupon websites 1. liveabout.com/couponing-52022145. readytea.com/r/couponing. aldi.us/weekly-specials/r-weekly-ads. armandhammer.com/resources/savingscenter.aspx. bargaincouponclippers.com. bettycrocker.com/coupons/printable. campbells.com/kitchen/coupons. costco.com/warehouse-coupon-offers.html. couponcarryout.com. couponfleamarket.com. coupons.com. coupons.shoprite.com. couponsclippedcheap.com. couponsherpa.com/printable-coupons. foodlion.com/coupons. grocerycouponnetwork.com/coupons. kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com/n_us/coupons.html. klip2save.com. kroger.com/coupons. moneypantry.com/beginner-couponing-guide. naturevalley.com/coupons. pampers.com/coupons-offers. pgeveryday.com/offers/printable-offers. publix.com/savings/coupons. readyzteat.com/promotional-grocery-coupons. retailmenot.com/coupons/printable. riteaid.com/coupons. shopnsave.com/savings/coupons.html. smartsource.com. thecouponclippers.com. westcoastcouponclipping.com. coupon websites 2. 1-coupons.com. 1-couponsstop.com. coolsavings.com. coupon.com. coupon1.com. couponaddiction.com. coupon-america.net. couponbug.com. couponcabin.com. couponcabin.com. couponcentral.com. couponchief.com. couponchief.com.